Hi friends, welcome to my channel, that is Versatile Love. Today I am here to show you how to make Rakhi. Here I am taken one bangle and also this is a thread of yellow color, and by the crisscross I have made this like this way. So Rakhi is now knocking at our door and we are not able to go outside for buy a Rakhi. So here it is. If you want to do at your home, you can, like this way. You just need to do, I just take thread. You can do this by the use of wool. If you using wool, then it would be very quickly done. But by the use of this thread, it will take some time. Like this way, you just need to do. Yes. So friend, here you can see I just knot it with the red thread, and like what I am doing with the yellow thread, the same thing I will do with this red thread. Like this way I am doing this. The same thing you need to do like this way. Like this way, I am just take a needle and stitch it off. And just stitch it off, so that after when I am cutting all this thread, it looks like a flower. This is the way you just need to do this.
One, two, three, four.
My baby is here. He is very excited for doing Rakhi. That is why, if you finding some sound, please don't mind for that. So here friend, it's done. So I am cutting down the rest thread which is not required. Yes, it has done. So now I am just cutting it off, the total thread. Like this way. কাঁচিটা একদম ধার নেই। So like this way I cut it off with the scissor. Actually I need the big scissor. So friend, you can see after cutting with the scissor how it is looks like. Okay, how it is looks like. It's look fantastic, right? So I will do something on it. Let's see. Friend, I have taken this crochet and I will do chain. Or knot stitch or chain stitch. Okay, like this way. I am doing this with this red thread, and also I am doing the same thing with the yellow thread also. Okay, like this way you just need to do it. You just take it and like this way, like this way. Okay friends, just I am doing this both chain, and now I am just doing this. Like this way, and knotting it the both chain thread like this way. Okay, one here I am not knot it off because I have to put these balls. I have to put these balls. After that I will show you how to do it. So friend, like this way I am doing this. Like this way I am doing this. বৈভব বৈভব রে একটু চুপ কর, শোনো। নিচে নিচে ঠিক। So I need one. Friend, you can see I have already done. Okay, the beads I have given, and now I am just pasting it off on this dhaga. Okay, so let's see. So friends, here I am taken this small size page and fix it off like this way. So now my Rakhi almost done. Some decoration are also pending. So friend, here I am making a small size flower and fix it off onto the Rakhi. This is very easy to do, like this. Those who are doing crochet, they are very much active on this. Like this way I am making Rakhi, just a small size flower. Boiba. Yes, I have done. Now I will paste it onto my Rakhi. Okay, so let's see. Yes, my friend, my flower is almost done. Almost done. So like this way you can make the flower. So here you can see I have already done this. Now I am fix it just onto the top of this Rakhi, and also I am fix it just onto the top of the Rakhi. So here is friend, my Rakhi is done. You can see my Rakhi is done. So it needs some time to dry. After that I can use this. Okay, so friend, please tell me how it is. If you like this video, please like my channel and also sharing it, and keep loving me, and do not forget to subscribe my video. Till then, have a nice day, have a wonderful day. Tata, bye bye.